just got home from the thrift store and I found a few things to try and resell. The first are these little Tiva sandals. They are a size 9 and they were 50 cents. I found these vintage white stag linen shorts. They were 50 cents. Well, everything was 50 cents. I found this like Cato women's like crop top rayon shirt. I found this Maurice's top. It's like an extra large, I think. I'm not sure, but no, just a large. Really cute. I found this women's like nursing maternity nightgown thing. I thought I would try to resell. It has snaps all the way down. And then I also found this basket that I'm gonna put the dog stuff in. I already did, like the leash and her bowl for when we go out. And yeah, that's what I found today. It's rainy and cozy, and I think we're just gonna kind of have a relaxed day. The kids are drawing right now. Somebody mentioned playing Cottage. I wanted to do some stuff in the kitchen, so just come along with us for a simple day in the life at home.
And follow.
Oh, I love that.
Holes, but it never comes out. Oh, actually, sometimes it does.
I bet it does. I love the dragon.
Thanks, and then Totoro.
Totoro!
Pause. If you did like little bits of green in the water.
So tell me about this creature.
It's a skeleton crocodile.
Awesome. Very cool. Okay, Bo, let's see what you got.
I'm doing a crocodile. It's
Oh my
attacking a bird.
gosh.
I'm gonna do some brown through the water so it looks murky.
Yeah, I love the green.
Thanks.
That's awesome.
Oh, it might be like when you first upon the ink, it's like wet.
Yeah, because there is.
It looks like murky.
So, I'm not thinking about here all day. Chicken hound, heed the scroll with all his strength. So a gym opened in our little town, and it's only a couple minutes away, and my husband is so thrilled because he doesn't have to drive as far and he can go on his lunch break. And I have actually been going with him and surprisingly really enjoying it. So I'm making a chicken pot pie, and in my pot I've got potatoes, actually from our garden, carrots and chopped up onion with some oil. I'll cover this and let it cook for a little bit, and then I'll add a can of corn. I already have some cooked chicken breast and some chicken broth. So for chicken pot pie, when I do it, I just make biscuits for the crust, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just rolling it out, and then I'll lay it on top of everything in the casserole dish.
You're at 1, I'm at 3.
I'm at 9.
Oh, I put them on.
Yeah, that was my. I purposely did that to get you points.
Good job. Whoa, speedster. So chicken pot pie to me is basically just chicken soup with a crust. but you want to thicken your chicken soup. So the way that you can do that is take some of the broth and put it in a little bowl, and then add a little flour and mix it together, or you can add a little cornstarch and mix it together, and then add it back into your soup and stir it around, and that will help thicken it up. If you put the cornstarch or the flour directly in your pot, then it's not going to mix well and it's going to be like kind of clumpy.